Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Contixo F-18 Quadcopter drone. The Contixo F-18 Quadcopter is loaded with interesting features which make this drone a great value in the market. It is outfitted with 4 brushless motors. The brushless motors give it the capability to instantly gain or drop in altitude and stop on a dime. They occupy less battery life than the non-brushless motors, so you can fly longer. It has built-in GPS, the drone knows its location and where is in relation to you. The onboard FPV FHD camera gives you drone's eye view. Link the camera to the Contixo F-18 application and 5.0 GHz band Wi-Fi beams you real-time pictures with the zero latency up to 500 meters away. This camera drone offers a flight time of 20 minutes. The return-to-home system commands drone to move back to the home point when control signal goes out of range or when battery gets too low, so you are less likely to miss your drone after a long day of flying. Overall, the Contixo F-18 drone is an affordable choice for those who want to start flying the smart drone. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Holy Stone HS-170 Kids drone. The HS-170 from Holy Stone is an ideal drone for kids. The headless flight system makes the steering easier and intuitive, which is why it is a great choice for beginners. The control range is 30 to 50 meters for this drone. It comes with 6-axis gyro stabilization system which provides a smooth and flexible flight. This kids drone offers 2.4 GHz technology which is low interference. With the 60-minute charge, this drone can achieve a flight time of 6 to 8 minutes. It has 3 different speed modes. This drone offers colorful LED lights. Overall, this drone is great for entry level. The manufacturer's suggested minimum age is 14 years. At number 3, we have the Potensic T35 GPS Drone. The T35 GPS from Potensic is great intermediate drone with a high-quality camera. The dual GPS system offers GPS and GLONASS positioning to provide accurate line on where your drone is. This GPS drone camera comes with most advanced 9-axis gyroscope flight system for more stability in flight. It features automatic return, no signal return, low power return. This camera drone comes with an adjustable 90 degrees angle. It has high-quality 1080p resolution capabilities. You need to buy an SD card for the storage of your photos and videos, which can be between 4 GB and 32 GB. The 7.4 volts 2500 mAh battery delivers up to 15 minutes of flight time. This system comes with the craft itself, battery, tools for maintenance, a transmitter, extra propellers, and landing gears, and more. At number 2, we have the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom has same DNA as its stablemate the Mavic 2 Pro. The only difference between the Zoom and Pro is the camera they are equipped with. Mavic 2 Zoom has a camera with a 24 to 48 mm zoom lens and comes with the dolly zoom effect. The Mavic 2 Pro has a Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch sensor. Both drones equipped with the multi-directional obstacle avoidance systems and very same internals. This drone is capable of hitting 44 miles per hour in sports mode. It has flying time up to 31 minutes. Both drone camera has the new hyperlapse functionality. The Mavic 2 Zoom comes with the dolly zoom effect. This drone offers 3D mapping to help it bypass crashes. When it comes to 4K video, both drones boast the same rosy specs. It offers 8 GB of onboard storage with the obligatory micro SD card slot. And finally, at number 1, we have the Parrot PF72800 Anafi Foldable Quadcopter Drone. The Parrot Anafi is the newest drones on the market, and comes with some serious modern features. It has ultra-light design that enables you to take this camera drone almost anywhere. It comes with 4K HDR video from a 21MP onboard sensor, which is the resolution and brightness you could need. This drone has an onboard 3-axis stabilizing gimbal, assuring that flight turbulence and action won't break your perfect, smooth image. There is a 180-degree tilting camera allowing you fine-tune your angles and capture fields, and you can use up to 2.8x lossless zoom. It has up to 25 minutes of flight time. It is compatible with free flight application which is controllable from your smartphone. It comes in a fast folding system. The whole package weighs around 320 grams. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.